Chapter 2 File Management Organization of Data. In this chapter, you will learn about file management with the help of Windows Explorer, computer folder and its components, transferring data within the computer's hard disk, transferring data from device to another, using multiple applications simultaneously, different file formats. Introduction. In your previous classes, you have learnt about basics of file management and how it is important to be organized when you are sharing a computer with others. In this lesson, we will further learn the operations on stored files that helps in file management. We will learn basic file management operations with the help of a popular operating system named Windows 7 by Microsoft. Basic file management. File management is the most important task in Windows 7. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about your files, folders, and drives. You can use it to see how your files are organized and to copy, move, and rename files, as well as perform other tasks pertaining to files, folders, and drives. Accessing Windows Explorer is not so obvious because there is not icon called Windows Explorer. When we click Computer, Document and Pictures icons, they all open in Windows Explorer. All drives, folders and files are represented in a Windows Explorer window. Drive, folder and files. When you create a new file from a program application, it must be saved to that you can work on it at a later time. The first time you save a file, you save it through Save As dialog box. This gives you an opportunity to give the new file a name. For further organization, you must save the file to a newly created folder or default folder. All files that you store on the third drive C are stored in a folder. Computer. Computer is a commonly used tool for file management because it allows you the access different drives. When you open computer icon, it opens in Windows Explorer that allows you to access removable storage such as CDs, DVDs, flash drive, SD memory card, etc. On most computers, C is your primary storage for all of the programs, folders and files on your system. Sometimes we also have a second hard drive, D, which is used as a recovery area, and DVD-ROM drive E. Building your own folder hierarchy. The whole idea of file management is to organize your files into a logical structure, similar to the way you would do it in the real world with a file cabinet. You would first develop a filing method for your documents, pictures, and music. For example, look at the example file or folder hierarchy shown in this picture. Transferring data. Sometimes you require to move or copy selected data from one part of your computer to another or from the hard disk of your computer to another external device like CD, pen drive, DVD, external hard disk, etc. Copy or move within the computer. The following table shows different methods of copying or moving files or folders to a different location in your computer. Method 1. File menu. Copy or move to folder. Select the source item and go to the File menu, Edit, Copy to folder or select Edit, Move to folder. Method 2. Organize menu. Select the source item and go to the Organize, Copy or Cut, Move. Click on the Destination Window's white area and select Organize, Paste. Method 3. Right-click. Right-click on the selected item and select Cut or Copy. Right-click on the Destination Windows and select Paste. Use Ctrl+X to cut and Ctrl+C for copy. Select Destination and click Ctrl+V to paste. Method 4. Drag and drop. For drag and drop from source to destination windows requires that both windows be visible at the same time. This required more resizing and positioning of your windows. Good mouse control is a must. You can easily lose files with a slip of the mouse. Fact file. When you drag a folder or file to another drive, window will not delete the original file or folder. It will be copied. If you drag files within the same drive later, it will be a move rather than a copy. If you are not sure, always use the right button to select either copy or cut. Copy, different drive. If you drag and drop from two different drive later or device, the original file always remains in place. A copy is created in the destination folder. If you drag and drop within the same drive later, only one instance of the files exists. It can be found in the folder location. This is typical when you drag file from folder to folder. Remember that most of your data is stored on a single hard drive until you partitioned it to have more than one drive later. When you copy over a file with the same name, Windows will automatically present the following dialog box regardless of the file's modification date. This will prevent you from updating newer file with an older file. The dialog box will give you the opportunity to cancel this operation. Working on multiple applications. Jyoti is searching for some information related to a project that she has to prepare on a topic given by her science teacher in school. She likes to listen to light music stored in her computer while she is browsing through the web. Windows operating system provides options to open more than one application at the same time and minimize the rest of the taskbar while they are active. Jyoti followed these steps. Open the web browser and enter the topic to search and open the search result you are interested in. Minimize the browser window temporarily. Open computer window and open the location where the music is stored. Play the music on the default media player. Minimize the music window. Restore the minimized browser window and continue with browsing the website. You may open any number of applications and work following above the method. Search for files. The search box. The search box is used to search for a particular file or subfolder in the currently opened folder. The search begins as soon as one starts typing into the search box. This means as soon as one types Y, all files starting with Y will get listed in the file list view. You can also use the search box located at the top right corner of any folder to look for any file or application on your computer. Once completed, you may opt to click Save Search. There is also the search feature available in the Start menu. The Advanced Feature button lets you supply additional information that can facilitate searches as shown below. File formats. Once you have gotten your program open and have done some work, you will no doubt be interested in saving the results. The work that you want to keep must be saved in a file. This work might be a picture that you drew with a graphics program. It could be a letter or memo. It could be a calendar or spreadsheet or database. File names. How do you choose a name of your file? There are some rules and some best practices. A file name has two parts, file name and extension in the format. Most programs have a default extension which they will assign to files that they have unless you specifically type in something different. File extensions are generally 3 characters long. Following table shows various file formats and their significance. File format. Significance. JPEG. JPEG is short for Joint Photographic Experts Group and is the most popular among the image formats used on the web. It shrinks the file size and hence some quality is also lost. GIF. Short for Graphics Interchange Format. GIF is most suitable for graphics, diagrams, cartoons, and logos with relatively few colors. GIF is still the chosen format for animation effects. PNG. PNG was created to improve GIF image file format, removing 256 colors limitation. BMP. These files are large and uncompressed, but the images are rich in color, high in quality, simple and compatible in all Windows, OS and programs. The files saved in Paint program gets BMP extension by default. MP3. It is a standard technology and format for compressing a sound sequence into a very small file, about 1/12 the size of the original file, while preserving the original level of sound quality when it is played. MP4. A file with the MP4 file extension is an abbreviation for an MPEG-4 video file, which is compressed file format that can contain not only video but also audio and subtitles. Doc. Doc is a document file format used by Microsoft Word, also used with most word processing software. XLS. XLS is a file extension for a spreadsheet file format created by Microsoft for use with Microsoft Excel. XLS stands for Excel Spreadsheet. PPT. PPT is a file extension for a preservation file format created by Microsoft for use with Microsoft PowerPoint. Fact file. The file extension exe means it's an executable program that will be installed onto your computer. If you open the file, the program would install automatically. Summary. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about your files, folders, and drives. When you open computer icon, it opens in Windows Explorer that allows you to access removable storage such as CDs, DVDs, flash drive, SD memory card, etc. Sometimes you require to move or copy selected data from one part of your computer to another, or from the hard disk of your computer to another external device like CD, pen drive, DVD, external hard disk, etc. Windows operating system provides options to open more than one application at the same time and minimize the reset on the taskbar while they are active. A file name has two parts, file name and extension in the format. Different types of files have different file extensions.